How to cite while you write using EndNote and Word. Before we begin, be sure you've installed the JAMA UCF-COM style and the medical terms list. Directions are available on the EndNote Library Guide on the library's website. Let's get started. Open your EndNote library and your Word document. As you're writing, you can insert citations and create your reference list. Citations are placed outside of periods or commas and inside of colons or semicolons. Place your cursor where you want your citation to appear. Then click on the EndNote tab and then on Insert Citation. This brings up the EndNote window. In the search box, type in an author, title, or topic. I've already typed in Rater, so I'm going to select the reference from the list and click on Insert. The citation has been inserted, but as you can see, this is not JAMA style. At the top, change the style from Annotated to JAMA UCF-COM. The citation number has now been changed to superscript, and the reference is now in JAMA style. You can also insert a reference from EndNote. This is especially helpful when you want to insert multiple citations. Place your cursor where you would like your citation to appear, then go to your EndNote library. Select the reference you want to insert and click on Insert Citation. To insert multiple references, again, place your cursor where you would like the reference to appear. Go back to your EndNote library, select the references you want by holding down the Control key to select multiple references, and then click on Insert Citation. If you need to edit the document, highlight the entire sentence including the reference and cut and paste it to a new location. Word will automatically update the citation numbers and the references. When you're done with your document, it is important to review your references to ensure they are correct. As you can see, when you place your cursor into the reference area, a gray highlight appears. This means the Word document is connected to your EndNote library, and all corrections must be made in EndNote. If you make corrections in the gray highlighted area and return to your document later, when it reconnects to EndNote, it will convert back to being incorrect. Let's review the reference list. A common error is with corporate author names. In this reference, Association AH is actually the American Heart Association. To fix this, I'm going to go back to my EndNote library. I'm going to select the American Heart Association reference. In the author field, I'm going to add a comma. This tells EndNote this is a corporate author. I'm going to save my changes by closing the record and selecting Yes. I'm going to return to my Word document, and I'm going to click on Update Citations and Bibliography. Now American Heart Association appears correctly. In this reference, HDL is an acronym and should have been in all caps. Article title should be in sentence case, meaning only capitalize the first word, proper nouns, acronyms, and the first word after a colon. EndNote does not always recognize proper nouns and acronyms. To fix this, go to EndNote. Then, under the Edit tab, select Preferences. Change case is the default. We're going to add HDL, and then we're going to select OK. When we return to our Word document, again, we're going to hit Update Citations and Bibliography, and now HDL is in all caps. If you need to submit your document with plain text references, or you want to manually edit your references, you can convert your reference list to plain text. This will disconnect your Word document from your EndNote library and cannot be undone, so make sure you save a separate copy of your document that will remain connected to EndNote. Click on Convert Citations and Bibliography. Then select Convert to Plain Text. A warning box pops up. Click OK to continue. Your citations are now plain text and you can manually edit them. Remember, when editing your document, your citations will no longer be automatically updated. If you have any questions about managing your references, please see your librarian. Thank you.